Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make Aloo Roti. It's a perfect filling and healthy meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Aloo Roti, I have pressure cooked some potatoes and I'm peeling them while it is still hot. Here I am making Aloo Roti for the whole family. You can reduce the quantity accordingly. Now with a fork I'm mashing the potatoes. The aloo is slightly hot, so it's difficult to mash with hand. And into this I am finely chopping green chilies. You can add green chilies to suit your taste. Some coriander leaves. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. Half teaspoon roasted jeera powder. About half teaspoon ajwain. I'm just lightly crushing it with my hands and adding so that the flavors are released. A fat pinch of garam masala, some turmeric powder, a fat pinch of black pepper powder. Black pepper powder helps the turmeric absorb faster into your body. And I'm just going to give this a mix. And now I'm adding in some whole wheat flour. So I'm adding in about half a cup first. And then I'm mixing it with the fork. I don't use store-bought atta or whole wheat flour in my recipes. What I do is I buy whole wheat grains, wash it thoroughly and then sun dry it, and then I give it to the local mill to get it powdered. Store-bought atta may contain added gluten, and for this reason I don't use store-bought atta in my recipes. The wheat flour or atta which I get it powdered in the local mill does not contain any added gluten. So you need to release the natural gluten in the wheat flour. So that is why I am adding the wheat flour into the hot potato mix. To understand more about this, you can watch my video about gluten. Links will be updated below this video. And now it has cooled down a little and I am using my hand to mix it further. I'm adding in wheat flour as needed. And lastly, I'm drizzling in half teaspoon of desi ghee. And I'm just mixing it. And I'm going to keep this for about 5 to 10 minutes. To make aloo roti, I'm using a slightly large dough. And I'm just kneading the dough. Sprinkle in whole wheat flour and generously coat with the flour. And roll it out. Dust off excess flour and place it on the hot iron tawa. Once bubble starts to come up, turn it over to the other side. Flip it once more. Press down with the spatula. Flip it again. And the roti will start to puff up. You can use a cotton cloth instead of a spatula. Drizzle in 1/4 teaspoon desi ghee and remove to a plate. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.